We are here in 𝗂𝗏𝗏 right now to check the work of the Tura Medical College, and of course the work is going at a much slower pace than expected, but it has picked up in the recent past. We are seeing work going on now in full swing, and we expect that the civil work of this section of the phase that is been allotted, we expect that we should be able to complete this by 2024 in the second quarter, end of first quarter, second quarter, which means around June, July, we should be able to see the civil work complete. And in the meantime, the process of also expanding the work in increasing the number of beds in the civil hospital also will start. And at the same time, to ensure that this is managed well, the preparatory works for the management and the running of the particular medical college will also be reviewed, and necessary action will be taken. And I'm hopeful that very soon we should be able to complete this infrastructure and start the medical college also very soon. And if they're going anywhere off track from the work plan that they're given, you immediately raise a red flag. We'll take it. So this is one of the important projects.
सर दिस इज कमिंग इन सेकंड फेज।
ये टाइप 5 सामने वाला जो बिल्डिंग बना है,
जहाँ से घुसे है वहाँ पे, ठीक है। ये टाइप 4 है सर, ये सेकंड फेज में आ रहा है। ये गर्ल्स हॉस्टल, बॉयज हॉस्टल।
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर
यस सर।
क्या नंबर आपका?
सर 9085 3079
आगे बढ़ जाइए।
शुभदीप सरकार
ये होता है तो फिर रोड का स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या हिसाब से
आपको मैन पावर थोड़ा कम है कि हम लोग जब आपको दूसरी साइड करते हैं
या गवर्नमेंट इन जनरल की तरफ से कुछ लेके पे करेंगे। Hindi block here. So the map berapa? Map tu apa? Dua. Dia 𝗂𝗂𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗹 ni mana orang? Tunjuk.